Happy Sunday, you guys. We are back at CVS for the start of a brand new 2-week ad. Like I mentioned in my last video 2 weeks ago, I was out of town last weekend in Dallas, which is why I did not post a second week of the ad video last Sunday. So sorry about that. I was in Dallas with my sister. She was visiting Austin for a couple weeks here where I live. And then we ended that trip by driving about 3 hours to Dallas to go to a WNBA game for the Dallas Wings. And it was super fun. It was like the best weekend I've had in a long time. We went out one night. We tried some new restaurants. I'd never been to Dallas before, so it was brand new to me. We stayed in a hotel for 3 nights. We went to a Dick's Sporting Goods event where we met one of the Dallas Wings players, AZ Fudd, if you guys are familiar, which was so awesome. I got a picture with her. I posted it to my Instagram story. She was so sweet and so kind. And then we went to the Wings game the next day, and they did lose to the Minnesota Lynx, which, by the way, if you guys don't know, I'm from Minnesota, so I was like low-key cheering for both teams. But it was so fun. We got to go to the tunnel afterwards. My sister touched Paige Becker's hand, which was crazy. I got to see them all again up close. I'm so excited next year when we get to go to another game for the next season. We'll probably go to a couple games next year because my sister was obsessed with the WNBA and now she got me into it and now I'm invested, so I'm really excited to go to more games. But anyways, let me know if you guys are WNBA fans, by the way, in the comment section down below to see if there's any crossover. I'm curious. I know the WNBA and popularity and people watching has just been going up, which is awesome. So anyways, this week at CVS, there's quite a few good deals going on. No like big event that we've had the past few 2-week ads, but there are just some regular good deals going on. Usually when we don't have an event, they do like amp it up with the extra buck promotions and the high value digital coupons. So we have quite a few things going on. I am planning on doing a rolling extra bucks video, so look out for that to be posted on my short form platforms, including here on YouTube Shorts. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. The Nivea men's and women's body wash are $5.99 for the Dermacomfort and the regular men's, and they are buy 2 and you get back $7 in extra bucks this week. So what you can do is grab 2 totaling $11.98, and we have a new $2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $9.98, and then after earning back the $7 in extra bucks, it would make 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for $4.49 and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So 2 would total $8.98. You can use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $5.98, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Heads up that this week the Pantene are on a decent promotion for buy 3 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. They are $6.29 each in my stores. You can grab 3 totaling $18.87 and use a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You pay $13.87, get back the $5 in extra bucks, making all 3 $8.87. You can grab 2 of these Clairol primer packets that are $5.99 each, totaling $11.98, and use a 9 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching, and that'd make 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The Nivea Shave Gel are also buy 2 and you get back $7 in extra bucks. You can grab 2 at $6.49, totaling $12.98. You pay that, get back your $7 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on each one, getting $2.50 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $3.48 for 2. The Hello toothpaste are on sale for $5.99 each, and they're buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. And we have a 6 off 2 digital coupons. So using that, you pay $5.98. After the $5 extra buck back, it would make 2 of them just 98 or 49 each. And the exact same deal applies to the Colgate Optic White Advanced. So you can grab 2 of those instead. The 6 off 2 digital coupon also attaches to these. Exact same deal, 98 for 2 final cost. The Oral-B toothbrushes and Crest toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and they're buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So grab 1 of each, totaling $7.98, and use a $2 digital coupon for the toothbrush and a $2 for the toothpaste. You pay $3.98, get back your $4 in extra bucks, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on the toothpaste, making your final cost free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box and pinned comment. Select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and they're buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. Grab 2 totaling $7.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $4.98, get back that $4 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just 98 cents. You can grab 2 of the Axe deodorant that are $6.99 and buy 1 get 1 50% off, totaling $10.48, and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon, making your final cost just $4.48 for 2 of them. If you did not use your $10 off 2 Dove FIFA World Cup deodorant coupon, you are very lucky because it is the best scenario this week for using that coupon. These are $9.59 each in my store. They're buy one, get one 50% off this week, and buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. The past week it's been $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing two, a total of $14.38. Using the 10 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $4.38. Get back $4 in extra bucks, making both of them just 38 cents. Definitely make sure to use your coupon this week because I know it is expiring. The Degree dry sprays and sticks are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of the dry sprays at $6.99 each, totaling $10.48. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so you'd pay $6.48 and then get back your $3 in extra bucks, making two of them just $3.48 for two. Or you can grab two of the sticks. These sticks are $6.29 each, so two of those would total $9.43. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the sticks, so that would leave you to pay $6.43. After getting the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make your final cost for two just $3.43. CoverGirl is buy two and you get back $6 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of the brow pencils at $6.29, totaling $12.58. Use a $4 instant CRT and a $2 digital coupon for eye products, and you'd pay $6.58, and then you get back your $6 in extra bucks, making two of them just 58 cents for two. Or you could just grab one of them and use the $4 CRT and the $2 digital coupon, and you pay just 29 cents for one. The finished dishwasher pods are on sale for $12.99 each for the 28 count tub, and they're spend $15 before coupons and you get back $3 in extra bucks. We do have a buy one, get one free digital coupon. So with that, you pay just $12.99 for two of them, and since we're above $15 before coupons, you'd earn back your $3 in extra bucks, making two of them just $9.99 for both, or about $4.99 each. That's a great deal. The Total Home garbage bags are on sale for buy one, get one free. So you can grab two of them at $9.99 each and use a 2 off 10 Total Home CRT. And that'd make two of them just $7.99 for both. You can use the CRT any way that you wish. This is a great stock up deal for garbage bags. For P&G laundry deals this week, we have a spend 25, get 8 deal, which is my favorite. I like it more than the spend 30, get 10. You can grab one of the Tide Liquid on sale for $12.99 and one of the Tide Pods on sale for $12.99. So those two would total $25.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Liquid, and we have a separate $3 digital coupon for the Pods. So you'd pay $19.98, get back your $8 in extra bucks, and then make your final cost just $11.98 for both big Tide laundry products, or just $5.99 each. Palmolive is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of them at $3.79 each, totaling $5.68. Pay that and then get back the $3 in extra bucks would make two of them just $2.68. We do have a digital coupon, but it does only work for the larger bottle. If you use Swiffer products, the refills are on sale for $10.99 each, and we do have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So that'd make two refill packs just $11.98. That is a great stock up deal. Huggies baby wipes are buy one, get one free this week at $4.59 at my store. We do have a 50% off of 2 digital coupon, so that'd make 2 packs just $4.09 for both, or like $2.05 each. That's a pretty good deal, great deal for throwing into a rolling extra bucks scenario. The Carefree liners are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of the smallest packs at $1.89 each, totaling $2.83. You'd pay that, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them just 83 cents. Nature's Bounty vitamins are buy one, get one free this week. The cheapest ones at my store are the iron at $7.99, so two of them would be $7.99, and we do have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so that'd make your final cost for two of them just $2.99 or $1.49 each. If your store carries the 2 count of the Tylenol Precise pain patches at $6.99 each, pick up one and use a $3.50 digital coupon, and you'd pay $3.49, and you'll earn back $3 in extra bucks for buying one, making your final cost just 49 cents. I did a total of 5 transactions today. So the first one I did was the finished 28 count. They rang up for $12.99 each with the buy one, get one free coupon and using some extra bucks. My net final cost was just $9.99 for two of them after earning my $3 in extra bucks back. Then I got into my rolling extra bucks scenario doing the Nivea body wash first, so paid $9.98 for two of them after the $2 digital coupon, and then earned back my $7 in extra bucks, so my net cost was just $2.98 for two. I then rolled that $7 in extra bucks into the Hello toothpaste and CoverGirl deal. So after all my coupons and my $7 extra buck from transaction 1, I paid just 77 cents out of pocket and then earned back $5 in extra bucks from my third rolling transaction. Rolled that into the deal with the Oral-B toothbrush and the Crest toothpaste and the 2X deodorants. All my coupons came off, used that $5 in extra bucks, paid $3.46, earned back $4 in extra bucks using my last transaction, and I earned back $2 in Ibotta for the Crest. And finally, I used that $4 in extra bucks to pay for my Huggies wipes, paid just 9 cents. So in total, for the rolling transactions, I paid $14.30 out of pocket in all 4 of those transactions, earned back $2 cash back on Ibotta for the crest, making my net cost for all 4 transactions just $12.30 true out of pocket. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment, and I will catch you next week.